Welcome to this quick guide to managing customers in HostShop. When your customers sign up to your service from your control panel, they're automatically created as Stack CP users. This allows you to manage all aspects of their experience and service from within My20i. To manage your customers, head to My20i, select Manage Reseller, and then manage Stack CP users. Here you see a list of all your current customers with their name and email address. You can search for a specific user using the search bar or add a new user manually by selecting Add Stack CP User. To manage the customer, select Options, then Manage, and you'll be taken to the Stack CP User card that contains information about your customer. You'll find a range of options for you to manage. These contact details are what your customer has set from within the Contact Details section of their account. It's important that these details are accurate. So if they look invalid, then it's reasonable to request the customer ensures they're accurate. You have the option to edit user details should you need to update them on behalf of your customer. If your customer is using 2FA for their account login, then their authentication device will be shown here. Should your customer lose their authentication device, meaning they can't access their account, we'd recommend asking them their security questions and then removing the device by selecting Delete next to the device in question. This will then allow the customer to log in using only their username and password as normal. Access and contracts. You'll be shown a list of the services your customer has purchased from you. This could include hosting packages, domain names, SSL certificates, malware scanning, or any other service you offer. On the right, you can manage, add service to plan, or remove access. If you'd like to assign an existing hosting package or domain name to the customer, then you can select the service from the drop-down menu and select Add Access. Invoices and custom work quotes. Here you can create custom work quotes. These allow you to charge the customer for work or one-off items that aren't products available in the shop. Here you can also see any invoices your customer has received. Payment methods. Here you'll see any payment methods your customer has added, such as cards and direct debits. Balance and affiliate. Here you can see any balance the user has in their HostShop account with you. Tickets and email notifications. Here you'll see all support tickets between you and your customers. You can quickly jump to the Stack CP Help Desk by selecting View Ticket. Master FTP allows the user to connect to all their hosting packages using a single FTP login rather than individual ones for each hosting package. For more help, check out the full documentation at docs.20i.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.